Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Bright Future with Bhavisha. Today we will study chapter number 3 Mindful Eating, a Path to a Healthy Body of Science of Class 6 of NCERT syllabus. So let's get started. Mindful eating, a path to a healthy body. Mindful eating allows us to fully appreciate the sensory delight of eating and to be more conscious of the amount and nature of all that we eat and drink. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating means bringing your attention, curiosity, and non judgment to the act of eating. You pay attention to how the food looks, smells, tastes, and feels. What emotions you are experiencing, whether your hunger is physical or emotional, how your body changes while you eat. The goal is not to eat perfectly, it is to connect with your body instead of disconnecting from it. Eating on autopilot versus eating with awareness. The chapter explains how many people eat while distracted, watching TV, talking, scrolling, rushing to finish quickly. This automatic eating causes overeating, not enjoying food, eating past fullness, digestive discomfort. What do mindful eating does? Mindful eating turns unconscious nibbling into a conscious choice. When you slow down and notice the flavor, texture and satisfaction level, your body naturally tells you when it has had enough. The role of hunger awareness. Hunger awareness means understanding when, why, and how your body signals the need for food. It helps you distinguish between physical hunger and emotional or habitual cravings. Mindful eating. Mindful eating techniques. Technique number 1. The hunger fullness scale 1 to 10. 1 to 3. Very hungry. Time to eat. 4 to 6. Comfortable. Start meal slowly. 7 to 8. Satisfied. Stop eating. 9 to 10. Overfull. Avoid reaching this point. Example, pausing mid-meal to recheck your fullness level. Mindful eating. Technique number 2. The 5 senses check before eating. Observe sight, smell, touch, taste and sound of food. Example, notice the aroma and color of your meal before your first bite. Technique number 3. The first bite rule. Give full attention to the first bite to enhance awareness. Example, closing your eyes to taste the spices and texture. Technique number 4. Slow down strategy. Put down the spoon or fork between bites. Sip water during meals. Example, taking a mini break every few bites. Technique number 5. Portion awareness. Use smaller plates, pre-portioned snacks. Example, instead of eating chips from the bag, take a handful in a bowl. Thank you. I will be continuing with the next lecture.